The 5-year-old boy, after drinking a nutritional supplement, could skillfully pilot a heavy mech and perform extreme drift maneuvers with thrusters. By age 9, he defeated an alien mech and became the youngest Mecha War God. Everyone believed he would one day become an interstellar Mecha War God who would save the world. But he hid his true abilities and worked as a lowly grunt washing armor at a mech repair shop. One day, the mountain repair station needed parts, and all the technicians were too busy. The female supervisor had no choice but to call the man who was doing repairs to deliver them.
Can you pilot?
Not for 5 years.
Good enough. Take these to the hill. Be quick. So fast.
What? Oh, shit! This is the best! Training here's so fun! Back in the peace zone, we can't even move! Just these damn bugs in here! Hey, bugs! Get lost! This is our training ground now!
Zach,
Shooting at them like that, it'll look bad for us.
this place ain't ours yet.
Don't worry, Captain. I've got a
Plan to get this land.
Guys, come on! Let's go
Try out our new training ground.
The slums are perfect for training.
If we train here,
Our army will take so much more land.
now, let's try.
This one.
Die!
Trash! What? Oh no 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 no! Damn, a civilian armor? How?
The armor is civilian, but the pilot, he is not normal. Forget it. Let's get the slums first.
Yes, sir. What? You sent Ethan? I haven't seen him pilot in years. There's war out there. You sent him alone in a civilian armor? What if something happens?
I'll send someone after him.
He's here.
No way. That's too fast. Impossible. So slow.
I heard fighting near the slums. You okay?
Yeah, fine.
You must have run into them. A civilian armor passing through that fight without a scratch. This guy.
Luke, line it up right. I picked this pump myself. It will get this armor moving again.
That's a Kelsis military armor. V8 engine. You put in a civilian pump, it will blow.
Just a repair boy. How dare you question me? I'm the squad leader. Yeah. If you know so much, why are you still a rookie?
Ethan, stop it. We're out of time.
How?
He was right. Ethan, you...
Oh no. This is the new 3S military armor. And you turned it to junk? This armor costs 100 million. Pay up. Not one coin less. 100 million? This trash isn't worth that.
Alpha grade alloy drive shaft. Micro-targeting fire control. Parts made by Master Sterling. 100 million is fair.
You hear that? Even the repair boy knows. Pay up!
We don't have that much.
No money? Then give us the slums. We'll use it as our training ground!
No. If you take this place, where will the people go? You'll send them out to die.
Who cares if they die?
Wait. That's civilian armor outside. It's yours? That's civilian armor outside. It's yours? Yes. You can't pay. You won't give up the land. So let's do it the pilot's way. Best of 3. If you win, we drop the armor cost.
Captain, why bother? Just...
If there's a real ace pilot here, that's worth more than any turf.
You guys are trained soldiers, and this is what you do? Steal land? Shove around regular folks? Real impressive.
Skill is all that counts. That's the pilot's way. Right, Lord John?
Fine! We'll fight! My sister is strong.
Luke! They are real soldiers! We're just a slum repair team! How can we win?
I thought you were Iselin's biggest fangirl! Why are you scared now?
I'm not him. He's a legend. All pilots look up to him. I can't...
Don't be scared. We have Zell. He's our squad leader. Relax, Chloe. These thugs only know how to smash things. I'll teach them a lesson.
What did he say?
This trash leader? He wants to teach us? You!
Luke, they are Kelsis mid-level soldiers. Their gear, their skills, we are not on their level.
Sis? Why are you on their side?
Enough. Old man. Decide. Now.
Fine. We fight.
Round 1. Swarm shoot.
Most kills wins. Fair fight. Same armor for all. Pick any weapon. One more thing. Don't let him catch you.
That's impossible! All that talk and now you're quiet?
We need one more person.
Sis! Me! I can do it!
No! Not you! Ethan, you go.
Uncle John, our homes are on the line here. Why let an outsider fight for us?
Yeah. He hasn't flown in 5 years.
Dad, you trust a stranger more than me? I'm a pilot too. A trainee at least. Wait. Too much talk. Ready or not? Ready. Zell, my sister, and me.
Fine. Begin.
You see that? That's Islin's firepower move!
No, she shoots fast, but her flying is slow now.
Shut up! What do you know, repair boy?
She squandered far too much of her power on weaponry.
So that wasn't her back there.
Sis, well done! First time up and you got 380! That was great!
Not bad, Chloe. For a trainee, 380 hits is good.
No one asked you! Move. .380. Same as my sister, one more and she loses.
No, that gun can't stay steady in strong wind.
Clueless. Come on! Shit! Shit! The right thruster is hit! Go back! Yes! A tie!
He was right. Again.
Useless. Now watch. I'll show you real skill.
Match over.
600! You see that? That's our squad leader! You shook your head? Zell got the most hits. Just a repair boy. You couldn't hit one.
Fancy moves, no real use. Not him either.
You hear that? Get off our land!
Zach, teach them.
Watch close. I'll only do this once. Kid.
Watch close.
Time's up.
Match over.
$760. You lose next round, you lose the match.
Not them. I'll have to step in, force that pilot out.
Let me crush them!
I'll do it.
Captain, you don't need to. Let me handle this. Pay attention. This won't be easy to beat. Drop the act. All he does is run and hide.
Thermopulse repeater.
That's Captain Victor, ranked 28th on the Federation list. That's his move! 28th? How can we beat a ranked pilot?
Luke, if you go, how many can you hit?
I can maybe hit 20.
We need 1140 to win. That's impossible.
Ethan, you go. Ethan, you go.
Dad?
Dad!
Uncle John! Send me! I can at least hit a few. Sending him is the same as giving up. I'll go!
Luke!
Luke! A pilot who can't even fly.
I can do it.
What's wrong? I can't move! Hey! You lost this round!
That didn't count. Pick someone else.
Yeah, he's not even a real pilot. Winning like that means nothing. Zell, you go! Fine! I'll fight him!
Stop! Ethan, you go.
What did he tell you? Why do you keep picking this loser?
Ethan, please, just once.
Hey! You're just a repair boy? You're really going? John, you should have sent me. At least I'd have a shot. Him? No chance. You slum rats are all trash. Can't even find one real pilot? Just go pick scrap?
I'll take the heavy atom cannon.
What? Why? That gun only has one shot. A fool with one bullet. What's he gonna do? Hit one drone?
Could it be?
Can't even start his engine? Just give up. It's over! I knew he was useless! It's all over!
Distance to ground, 50 meters, 30 meters.
No.
10 meters.
I knew it!
Want to watch more? Download NetShort.